we've never done before is a 2,000-mile round trip in a 1986 Vauxhall Nova Antibes edition.
Antibes? It's Antibes.
Is it Antibes? Everyone says Antibes.
So as we've got a Nova Antibes, it felt really, really fitting to take this thing 2,000 miles and drive it all the way down to the south of France to Antibes.
So this trip isn't going to be quite as simple as you might think.
So we've decided to do this with absolutely no navigational aids other than a map.
Mate, I can't even map read, like genuinely.
Mate, you can't even read.
You're not wrong. She's not wrong.
Mate, I can read. That's fine. You
oh,
can drive.
good.
I'll be your wingman.
Yeah, good. So I can't drive on the other side of the road. I can't map read, so we're off to a good start.
Well, I can read and I can drive on the wrong side of the road, so perhaps
Okay.
I'll be doing the map reading and the driving.
Yeah. Hopefully we visit a few vineyards over there.
It'll all become apparent.
Yeah. This is all good fun, but we are doing this for a good cause. We're doing this for the Remy Foundation.
So the Remy Foundation was set up by some good friends of ours who tragically lost their 7-year-old son, Remy, earlier this year. So the foundation was set up to raise money for Great Ormond Street Hospital, and all of the proceeds, 100% of everything that we're doing and these guys are doing, is going to go to people who need it.
We've set up a GoFundMe page. We're going to post a link down below. So click that, follow it through, and you can donate as little or as much as you like.
So the great thing about the foundation is none of the money is going to get absorbed into administrative costs. It goes to where it's needed. It goes to things like funding chairs, beds, batteries for controllers, making sure PlayStations work, those sorts of things that if you need to be in the hospital, that it just makes that time in there just a little bit more bearable.
So for all of you guys that do kindly donate, we're going to be selecting a few people at random after the trip, and we're going to be sending you some Madder merch. So we've got 4 weeks till this trip, and in that time we want to raise as much money as possible, and we're also going to be getting the Nova sticker bond.
Well, come on, Leon at Seesaw's done a really nice design, and we're going to get this thing wrapped up, and we're going to get some sponsors put on there, so we're going to be raising money for that side as well.
So any donation, oh you joking me? Yeah.
That'll only be 2 dings.
Will it?
It's 2 o'clock.
No way.
Oh, come on.
I didn't know
mate.
that. I didn't
legit?
know that. No, I didn't know that.
You did not know that.
This car is a good example. Why not to rubberneck this car?
Do they do it for every hour? Yeah. So at 3 o'clock they do 3?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. No. Mate, where did we find this? Oh.
No.
Mate, get a zoom in. You just curved it massively.
Like, massively curved it. I need to go and see if that curb's all right. You shouldn't be filming it, it's a distraction. Just start stroking the curb. Wow, that was savage. Any donation over the value of £150, just drop us a message privately and we can discuss about getting your name advertised on the Nova.
So we're heading out on the 28th of September and we come back on Sunday, the 2nd of October. And when we get back into Norwich at 5 p.m. on the 2nd of October, we're heading to Macro Car Park. We're going to be starting a convoy from Macro on Broadway Business Park back to Worcester, back to the Madder Centre.
Hopefully we make it. So it doesn't matter what you have. You could be on a bike, a skateboard, a scooter, a car, a moped. We literally don't care, do we?
No, definitely not.
Just be there, guys. It's going to help us out massively, and to get a convoy together, it's going to be awesome.
And make sure you bring a little bit of spare change because we'll put in some of our buckets around, aren't we? We'll rattling them.
So please, guys, support the cause. It means so much to us. We'd really appreciate it if you share the hell out of this video. It's going to help us massively.
Definitely. Mate, we need to go get this car ready, so we better go put some wind in the tyres.
Let's go.
Makeup. I've got the seatbelt on.